Alright, today on the unboxing, we've got the Revoltec Fightboard Advanced Steel Grid keyboard. It's a gaming keyboard. Programmable macro keys, exchangeable fight keys, 11 hotkeys for multimedia and Windows shortcuts. This is distributed by Blue Gears in the United States, or Big Ears. On the back, we've got a nice little diagram. Gives you an idea of what all the keys are and what they're for. Descriptions, of course, and all that. Open it up. It's wrapped in plastic for protection. It's got a long palm rest. It's a big keyboard, actually. Apparently it clips onto the bottom of the keyboard. Underneath, got a user manual. Driver disc, software driver disc, and a little bag. Inside, we've got keys. These are the replaceable keys. This is the remover. Reboot your mind, huh? Okay. Guess this is reload, or these are movement keys. They can be replaced on the keyboard for whatever your configuration is going to be. Alright, now the keyboard. USB connection, obviously. Can't get it off. Alright. Left side. We've got M1 through M5, M11 through M15 function keys. Across the top, we've got the Revoltec logo, which is actually broken down into buttons. Got home, email, back, Windows, lock, something, forward, search, and stop. Got speakers, up, down, volume, mute, and the function button. Right side, we got the same keys as the left side, just numbered differently. And it has a carbon fiber look finish to it. It is plastic, of course. It does have legs on the back for those that like to have their keyboards up at an angle, like I do. Rubber feet, the front and back, and the bore, or the palm rest, clips into the front. We've got a few LEDs over here to tell you what each are and what's going on. Alright, I will install this, test it out. It does come with software, so of course I'll have screenshots of that for you too. It is thin. Windows keys. I was reading, I suppose there's a way to lock the Windows keys. I'm assuming that is through the software. Alright, that's it. Continue on, and I'll let you know what it's like.